The economic downturn has had several effects on how we all feel as Americans. In general, Americans are feeling less confident, people are worried, and so on. But for those unfortunate folks who have lost their job or fear that any day they may lose their job, they are particularly being affected by all of this emotionally. And studies have shown that particularly among men, feelings of not just despondency, but a loss of control and a loss of sort of their primary source of self-esteem has rocked their world. For these folks, what they need is not escape. What they need is something that will help them feel competent again and help that sense of self-esteem. Marketers who understand this, and in fact we're starting to see some movement here, marketers who understand it are going to really market products and services tied to things like, for example, do-it-yourself. Do-it-yourself in the home area, do-it-yourself in other areas where you can not only save money, but you can really have that great sense of accomplishment that can help salve the wounds of losing one's job. It's a very interesting time for those who work in health and beauty or are in charge of marketing health and beauty products. There are two things going on with this economic downturn. On the one hand, discretionary purchases are really falling by the wayside, and particularly for women, you know, buying health and beauty aids for themselves feels very discretionary. And there are all kinds of reports out there where women are going longer between haircuts, going longer between getting their hair colored, making their cosmetics and other kinds of products stretch further so that they don't have to buy refills or buy again. So they're really pulling back on the category in general. On the other hand, there's one area where people are actually spending more on health and beauty, and that is among job seekers or people that in general feel they need to be hyper-competitive in this tough environment. So we're seeing pockets of people spending more money on everything from plastic surgery to new haircuts, new do's, new looks. Makeovers are big among those who are feeling like they have to fight to keep or find a job.